Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
How are
ma'am.
you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Bye.
Had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So which is this class now? What are we going to learn today now?
Ma'am, adjective.
No. I want the subject which we are going to study first. One at a time.
Ma'am, parts of
Subject.
speech. Ma'am, parts of
Grammar we are going to study, right? English grammar.
yes, ma'am, parts of speech.
Parts of speech we are going to learn. Very good. So what did we learn in our previous class? Henna, sit in one place.
Ma'am, we learned parts of speech.
We had learned parts of speech. What did we learn in parts of speech?
Ma'am, noun, pronoun, adjective.
Excellent, I. So let somebody else also answer. Leia?
Yes, ma'am.
What did we learn in the last class? See, just now I told us. Okay, Prajwal, tell me what did we learn?
Parts of speech. Up. Noun, pronoun, adjective.
Noun, pronoun, and adjective. Parvati, how many parts of speech are there?
8.
8. Very good. So we have completed 3 parts of speech, and now we have to study the rest 5. Okay. Which is the 4th part of speech now? Which is the 4th part of speech?
Verb.
Verb. Excellent. Which is the 4th part of speech?
Verb.
Verb. Who knows the meaning? What is a verb? Who knows what is a verb?
Action
Ma'am,
of
action word.
Action word.
Action word.
Exactly. So just see here.
No, I did not.
Wait, I have to see verb. What is a verb here? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
A verb is a word used to express action or state.
Example, wrote,
Wait. Example, you just wait. A verb is a word used to express an action or state. Okay? Okay or not okay? See? Okay. So now, tell me, he
Hi, ma'am.
sat on the table. So which is the action word here, Prajwal?
Yes, ma'am.
He sat on the table. So which is the action word over here?
Sat.
Sat. Okay, Abel, tell me one sentence with the action word.
and dog is walking through the street.
Is walking on the street. So which is the action, which is the word which is expressing?
Walking.
No, is walking. Is the action. Okay, is walking is the verb. So walking is not actually ing. His word is called something else. We'll learn later. But is the verb over here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Shreya Prasad, tell me one sentence.
He was writing notes.
He was writing notes. What is the verb over here, Shreya?
Writing.
No, Shreya. I said ing words are not verbs. They are different form of verbs, not the direct verb. I'm asking the direct verb. Was. Okay, Shreya?
Okay, ma'am.
I am teaching class 5C. So which is that verb over here?
I am teaching.
Verb over here? Muhammad Ami. What is your name, Muhammad Ami? I can see only Muhammad Ami. Tell me your name. Muhammad Amil. Okay. Muhammad Amil. Muhammad Amil is drinking water. So which is the verb over here? Which is the verb? Is. Okay. Now, tell me, John sleeps after the class. John Daniel sleeps after the class. So which is the verb, John?
Sleep.
Oh, I'm asking John. I'm not asking anybody else. John, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
So which is the verb over here?
Ma'am, you can say once more.
John sleeps after the class. So which is the verb over here?
Sleep.
Sleep. Gauri Nandana is a beautiful girl. Which is the verb?
Is.
Is. Now everybody understood what is a verb? Okay. Now after verb we will learn adverb. What will we learn?
Adverb before the action.
Adverb.
It's not before the action.
Ma'am, it's
Adverb describes
Wait.
simultaneously.
What is an adverb? Just see. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning. It adds some meaning to the verb, adjective or another adverb. Okay? It adds some meaning to the verb or adjective or another adverb. Now, 1 minute here. Okay. So who knows some example of adverb?
Ma'am,
Adina, tell me.
gently,
Gently.
mentally,
Mentally, okay.
nicely.
Nicely. Okay, now I want with sentence, okay? Sentence. Annabelle is writing quickly. So which is the adverb over here?
Quickly.
The tortoise. Wait, slowly. The tortoise runs slowly. Slowly. Okay. Now everybody will mute. I will ask one by one. Isra.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a very beautiful flower.
Beautiful.
No? Beautiful, how can be beautiful be a verb? Beautiful is telling about them now, right? So how can be beautiful?
Can I tell the question once more?
I'll tell the question once more. This is a very beautiful flower.
Beautiful.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Very
and Maria?
is.
Very.
Is.
Very. Is a verb. Very. We are talking in adverb. What do we need to do this year? In adverb, what do we need to do? How will we identify it as an adverb or not? Adverb will add some extra meaning, some meaning to a verb or an adjective or another verb. So here in the sentence, I'll just write for you all.
Your voice is very loud.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Ma'am, I cannot see what are you writing.
Wait.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Wait for 1 minute.
Ma'am, I cannot see what are you writing.
Wait 1 minute. Can you see now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can you see?
No.
No, ma'am. You don't share the screen.
You did not share the screen.
I have shared the screen. I'm sharing it once again.
Ma'am, you shared the screen, but you're not. I can't see the
See,
thought
now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's right in the
No,
notebook.
This is just for your explanation.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Wait.
Ma'am, we have to write.
No. Okay, who was answering this question to me? This is a very beautiful flower.
Very.
Wait. Which is the adjective over here?
Beautiful.
Which is the adjective over here?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Because
Ma'am,
it is,
is a describing word.
yes, beautiful is a describing word. It is describing about the flower. Yes or no, flower? Yes or no? It is describing about the flower.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the adverb which is telling something more about the adjective?
Very.
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 Here. So very is an adverb. Very is an. Okay, which is the verb in this sentence? Which will be the verb in the sentence?
Is.
Is will be the verb. Is
Ma'am,
will be the
Is.
verb. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Now also it's low.
Ma'am, by very low.
Now also.
Your voice is so
It's
low.
okay,
Now it's
ma'am.
okay.
Now it's okay.
And now it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now tell me. Eva pronounced the word correctly. So which is the adverb over here?
Correctly.
Correctly.
Only Eva will answer. I took Eva's name. So only Eva will answer. Others will go mute. Everyone
Correct.
will go mute. Eva, unmute yourself and tell me. Eva pronounced the word correctly.
Correctly.
Very good. One more sentence I will give. Shiv Dhyan. Okay, Shiv Dhyan? Shiva Dhyan. My house is too far from Ayel's house. Wait, I'll write the sentence. Wait. Wait. Can you all read the sentence? Shiv Dhyan, now you have to answer me this, huh? Come on, Shiv Dhyan, tell me. Read the sentence.
My house is too far from Ayush's house.
Okay. So which is the adverb over here?
Too far.
Two, just two.
Far.
Okay. Two is the adverb over here. Which is the adverb over here?
Too.
Slow.
Now also. Two is the adverb over here. Two is what? Adverb. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me one more example,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? I speak softly. Sarah Rose, tell me.
I speak softly.
So which is the adverb over here?
I.
Adverb, Sarah, which is the word telling about the verb over here?
Softly.
Softly, yes. You need to think which word is telling more about a verb or an adjective, okay? Then you will get an answer. Now, what is a preposition? Tell me, who will tell me what is a preposition? What is a preposition?
Connecting a word.
Anne Maria, tell me what is a preposition?
Connecting a word.
No, it's not connecting words.
Opposite words.
No. I had taught you on Saturday. Preposition. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell a noun or pronoun and expressing a relation?
Okay, expressing a relation. Okay. But what will we tell in short? Did you learn preposition in your primary LP section? No? Who is sitting in front of the table?
Ma'am, a preposition is one of the important topics in English grammar.
Okay, it is one of the important topic in English grammar. Yes, that's why we are studying.
Ma'am,
Yes.
a word that is used for another repetition of another word.
No, 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 no. See, preposition shows us the relation, okay? The position or the relationship with the other word, okay? I asked the question, who is sitting in front of the table? So, what is in front of? In front of is the preposition. What is in front of?
A word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence.
Okay, very good. See, what is preposition? Gauri Nandana, can you read this? Gauri, unmute yourself and read this.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board, ma'am.
You cannot see the board.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can see the board. We can see the board.
You can see
Ma'am,
the
here is rain. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Anupama, can you see the board? Read Anupama, if you can see the board.
Preposition is a word is used to show the relation between two nouns, adjective or verbs. Example, under, before, between, in.
Okay, very good. Adinath, read loudly again.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Adinath,
Yes, ma'am.
read the sentence.
Adjective is a word as
I didn't say adjective, I'm teaching preposition now.
Preposition.
A preposition is a word is used to show the relation between two nouns, adjective or verb. Example, under, before, between, in.
Very good. A preposition is a word used to show the relationship between two nouns, adjectives, or verbs. Okay? Now tell me, Sarah Rose is sitting on the chair. So, which is the preposition over here?
Sitting.
Is
Which is the preposition?
Is
On. Which is the preposition?
on.
Is what I taught you today. What is is? Is what?
verb.
Verb. So how will you say is a preposition? Okay, the second sentence. Tom is behind Jerry. Tom is
Behind.
Okay. Now one at a time. Okay, Abel, ready for the next sentence. The little girl is sitting under the tree. Under. A bottle is kept near me. Near. Okay. The cows are in the shed. Ameya, only Ameya will answer. Ameya KP,
Yes, ma'am.
the cows are in the shed. What is the answer? In, excellent. So now you all understood what is a preposition which shows a relationship with the other word. Okay? Understood? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So today we have learned verb,
Verb, adverb,
Preposition.
verb and preposition. What did we learn?
interjection.
Did not teach. Wait, stop now. Okay. Now tell me, what is a conjunction? Prajwal, can you tell me what is a conjunction?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is a conjunction?
It is a word used to join words or sentences.
Very good. You all know what is a junction? You all know, right? Everybody knows what is a junction?
Yes, ma'am.
Where the roads meet. So So like that conjunction means where we have to join two words or two sentences. Okay. So we'll see here. Conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences.
Types
Okay.
of conjunction, coordinate conjunction.
What?
2 types of conjunction.
Now we are not learning types of conjunction. We are just learning conjunction. Okay, we'll learn only conjunction. Now tell me a sentence. Ram, okay, I'll tell her the different sentence. Anupama and Ameya are friends. So which is a conjunction, Ameya, here? Anupama and Ameya are friends. And very good. Okay. Sure, now. And we are Rose.
Yes, ma'am.
I ate lots of sweets because I was hungry. I ate lots of sweet because I was hungry. So which is a conjunction here? Because. Okay. Then Gaurinanda got wet in the rain as she did not take her umbrella. Gaurinanda.
Can you repeat?
Yes, Gaurinanda got wet in the rain as she did not take the umbrella. Who will tell?
Isra.
Isra tell? As, yes. Then Isra ran fast, but she missed the bird. Sorry, missed the bus. No, Isra will not answer. Leia will answer, Leia. Isra ran fast, but she missed the bus.
But.
So now everybody is clear with conjunction also?
Ma'am.
Yes? Now the last one we'll study is interjection. What are we going to study?
Interjection.
Interjection. What are we going to study? Interjection. Okay. What an interjection? Who will tell me?
Is used to express an emotion.
Wait. Anne Maria is answering me. Please, others wait. Anne Maria, tell.
It expresses an emotion.
It expresses an emotion. Very good. Interjection expresses an emotion. Emotions such as sad, happy, sadness, happy, then excitement, okay? Surprise. Is that clear? We will read this, okay? Just wait. See, what is an interjection? Everybody knows now. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. It will be sudden, not like yesterday you were happy and you will tell today. I'll tell you one example now here, okay? Anselin Shaji.
Yes, ma'am.
If Anselin Shaji falls down, what will you say? Now sitting will fall down, what will you say?
No, it's not clear.
If you fall down from the chair, what will you say?
Ouch.
Ouch! Ouch! I got hurt. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If Vardha gets a beautiful dress, gift, what will Vardha say?
Ma'am, here.
If Vardha gets a beautiful dress as a gift, what will you say?
Wow.
Tell the full sentence. Tell the full sentence. Try Vardha. Wow, this is a
beautiful dress.
This is a beautiful dress. Okay? Then, if you have to tell something about sad, if you hear something sad, so we will use the word alas. What will we use the word?
Alas.
Alas. Alas means what? Alas, the king has died. Means something very sad has happened. Okay? Alas means what? something very sad has happened. The king has died. Like John can say, alas, my neighbor's dog has died. Okay? If Sapna has won the match, what will Sapna say?
Hooray.
Tell the full sentence, Sapna. Yes, I am there to help you, right? Tell Sapna. Hooray! I have won the match. I have won the match. If we get a surprise, somebody is knocking at the door loudly, knocking at the door too loudly. Thang, 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 thang. What will say?
Wow.
Wow. Oh, who is knocking at the door so loudly? Yes or no? Yes or no will say? In interjection word, everything will have an exclamation mark. Everything will have an
Exclamation mark.
exclamation mark. Okay?
Exclamation mark.
And Annabelle, unmute. Annabelle, can you hear me? Can you all hear me? If Annabelle is not able to hear me, can others hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think Annabelle is not able to hear me. Isra, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Henry.
Yes, ma'am.
Henry,
Yes.
a sentence with exclamation mark, interjection when you get a hurt. When you get hurt.
Ouch.
Sentence I want. Ouch, I broke my leg. Or ouch, I got hurt. Okay? Now,
Okay,
Leah,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
tell me a sentence when you get a beautiful dress. No, not a beautiful dress. You get a surprise. If you like the surprise, what will you say? Try to
Wow.
say, wow. Tell like wow. With an exclamation mark. This is a very beautiful dress or a beautiful. Dia,
Ma'am.
Dia, if you have to tell something very sad, what will you use?
Ma'am, I didn't hear the one more time.
I said if you want to tell something sad, very sad, what will you say? Who knows what will we say when we have to tell something very
Alas.
sad? Alas. Very good, Dia. Dia told, right?
Leah.
Leah told, okay, Leah. So it will be like, alas, something bad has happened, okay? Now your homework, last week, Saturday I had given homework to everybody to write something, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all complete?
Yes.
Ma'am.
And who will show me? Show fast those who have written. Fast. Entry, very good.
Ma'am, I don't hear that.
Why you didn't do?
Ma'am, I did not do.
Why?
Ma'am, Henry.
Entry did I saw Adina completed or what? Where is Ail Arun? Did you
Ma'am,
complete?
I had a network problem that time.
So network problem was there, so you should. Okay. Now your homework for today is those who have completed don't have to write. Those who have not completed, they have to write everything. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay, wait here. See, listen to me. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
This everything, this full thing, you all have to write in your in your ruled paper, okay, properly. I will ask any time to submit this thing on WhatsApp. Okay?
Ma'am, now
No homework.
we need to. Ma'am, when you will send in WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send this in WhatsApp to you all. Then you have to
We need
write.
to write the rules paper.
Note. Then you all have to write 10 nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. 10 words. Okay.
Ma'am, I've already written now.
Those have written noun, pronoun, and adjective. Do not write that 3. Those 3. Write the others. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody has to be, everyone has to be, Shivandhyan, ready with your work on Saturday. Saturday, everybody will show. Otherwise, Saturday, I will not allow you to log out from the class.
And we need to do it in the rule sheet.
Yes, you need to write it in the rule sheet. Okay? Let me take your attendance.
Ma'am, so we don't need notebook.
No need. You all have not received a notebook from the school, right? You all have received only the papers, right?
Standard, we don't have any notebook.
Huh?
From 5th standard, we don't have any notebook.
Yes, so that's what I'm telling. Okay, Adidev, Adidev S. Nair. Present or absent?
Absent.
Adinath,
Present, ma'am.
Abel, Dawn,
Present, ma'am.
Ameya. Ameya was there, right?
She was there.
Emil Shiju. Annabelle. Anne Maria.
Present, ma'am.
Anvia.
Present, ma'am.
Anselin.
Present, ma'am.
Anupama. Arfan.
Present, ma'am.
Ail.
Present, ma'am.
Chris. Devdarshan. Diya Manoj.
Present, ma'am.
Devdarshan is present, so why didn't he tell present?
Ma'am, he told.
Okay.
But not sound.
Oh. Ibrid. E-A-B-R-I-D. Ibrid. Present, absent.
Absent.
Isa.
Absent.
Eva. Gaurinanda. Gaurinanda PS is present.
No, ma'am. Absent.
Gauri Nandana is present. Henry is present. Isra is present. Jaswin.
Ma'am, Henry present.
Yes, Mark Henry. John Daniel. Joseph Nihal.
Ma'am,
Leah. Amil. Sinan. Mohammed Sinan is present. Okay. Parvati.
Present.
Yes, Parvati.
Present, ma'am.
Tajwal. Rohit Krishna. Sanahin.
And Sana is not in class.
Sanahin.
ma'am, not Sanahin. Sinan.
Sanahin. Okay, where is
Ma'am,
Sanahin?
Sanahin and Isa are not in our class.
Not in your
Isa
class.
Sana is not in our class. Before in fourth they was there in our class.
Okay. Sapna Soni.
Present, ma'am.
Sarah Rose. Shivadhyan. Shreya Prasad.
Present, ma'am.
Vardha. Viraj.
Ma'am, where is the present?
Yes, Viraj. I'm calling out the absentee's name. Please check yourself. Adidev.
Ma'am, we forgot forgot to call me.
I'm now calling out the absentee's name. If your name is in this, you tell me you're present. Adidev, Emil, Anupama, Chris, Ibrid, Isa.
Great.
Ibrid is absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Isa. Then Gauri Nanda PS. Then Joseph Nihal. Rohit Sanahin is not in your class. Viraj, right? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody's
Yes,
name
ma'am,
is
yes,
missing? Anybody's name is missing? I called out all the names, right?
No, ma'am, you forgot to call me.
Whose name?
Shivadhyay.
Shividhya. Shividhyan, you are present. Shividhyan, I have marked you present because we were speaking so many times, so I do not need to ask, right? You are present or absent. Okay, so complete your homework. I'll be sharing it on your WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.